In a little pub in London, Moriarty drank his beer, recited wonder stories of his exploits far and near, singing Irish songs to Kelly, best of all the one and all. Moriarty sang for them, the hills of Donegal. They was cheering at the finish as they sang encore and encore. Moriarty said, lads, sure I won't sing any more. But as he stood there sad and silent, gazing down into his beer, and in his eyes there glistened the sparkling of a tear. You're going home for Christmas, the friendly barmaid said. Moriarty took his gaze of her and slowly shook his head. Sure I haven't been tired now, 'tis 20 years or more. So my mother wouldn't even know me if I walked up to her door. I was born, says Moriarty, in an island in the west. 'Tis the last place God created, but the first place that He blessed. We were poor, sure we were happy in our simple soft way. God, I wish I was a lad again, whistling day after day. In the village of Kilsheelan, that night upon the shore, he could see across the water dark his island home once more. In the sky, the stars were shining, and the brightest in the dome seemed to hang across the moorland, calling Moriarty home. It's a grand night for the crossing, said the boardman Thomas Bond. Moriarty didn't even know him. Sure 'tis a lifetime I am gone. But as he stepped into the barging, the boardman heard him say, Glory, glory, God of heaven, I'll be home for Christmas Day. In a lodging house back in London, Moriarty's poor aboard. On a table in a hallway, a message lay unread. And the message read, this morning, your poor mother passed away. She'll be buried in Kilsheelan after Mass on Christmas Day. Thank you.
I heard the rifles firing in the mountains far away. I held you in my arms, love, your blood ran clear and right, and you died by Shannon Golden on a lonely summer's night. Oh, but that was long Ago, my love, and our son he was fine and tall. The hills they are at peace again, the Saxon strangers gone. But there's roses on your grave, my love, to the eagle in that sky flies high ocean border, where my old granny lies. Flies high ocean border, where my old granny lies.
The English can boast of the road.